You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What's going on, man? What you running here?
6 Skar BXF, 1 down for sound, clamp 83. Only clamp is 3K.
It is.
Wired down to 0.33, but I rise well over 4 ohms.
That rider do it every time, one man.
Yeah.
You got this thing looking good, man. I seen it yesterday. I was trying to catch up with you. Golly, man. And you say you clamping how much?
I'm only clamping 3K. It's less than 500 watts per sub right now.
That is right here. Oh, man.
Like I said, I got a shit ton of box rise. I
That thing
rise
cutting
well over.
So you'd like to get it down if you could. Man, that thing is cutting up. That's impressive, bro. What can they find you on social media anywhere, man?
Pretty much TikTok.
Okay, where can I find
Goblin.
you? Great. Oh, that's you. Appreciate it, man. It's good seeing you, bro. Actually seeing you in person, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I can.
You still rolling?
Yeah, you still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.